first of all, I just want to ask question to my friends. I'll just give a situation to everyone, and I want answers from few people, like whoever I call. Firstly, for example, I we have sent a text in WhatsApp, and person is in online, and still you're not getting reply from them. What is the first thought you get in your mind? I want an answer from Ismat. Ismat ji.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, the first thought, what, for example, you have sent me a message, you think, and I'm in online, and you're waiting for my reply since like 15 minutes, and you still did not get any reply for me. What's the first thought about me in your mind?
Busy probably.
Wow, thank God. You're not thinking that I have an attitude issues or something of that sort.
No. No. Because I
Okay,
have done that before, so I know that because I do it because I'm busy. So I have no issues with that.
thank you. And I would like to ask even Kaustubh. I don't know whether he's there or not.
Kaustubh? Straight.
If he's not there, I'll go with Anirudh.
Yeah. Anirudh. Okay, continue.
Okay, fine. Sir, what about you, sir? Like you have seen people in online and still not getting reply from them. What's the first thought you get in your mind?
I feel they are not using WhatsApp. So at the time when I send, because there is not necessary that here everyone has to use WhatsApp when we send the message. It's
Yes,
so.
sir.
Sometimes we keep it aside. So that definitely that matters. So I think like that. So that when I send the message, they may not be using that right WhatsApp or mobile at that time.
Yes, sir. But I have seen a lot of people like they overthink on the issue. Might be they're ignoring me, or they don't like me. They have an attitude issue, or we have an attitude
Yeah.
issue. We are making our lives complicated, such. And also, overthinking. I'm just saying, like when I was in ninth or 10th class, sir, if someone asked me what you want from life, what you want to become. I used to say like an engineer or a doctor or whatever it is. Now, after facing not many situations, I am like, I want peace in my life. Just that kind of inner me being peaceful without any tension. Even though I achieve or not, that is secondary. Having that inner peace, if you overthink much and being very narrow minded towards a topic, really affects you a lot. For example, if we think about a person, why is he going there? He's enjoying a lot. If constantly we think about others, it affects our own happiness and our own peace. I just want to say everyone one thing. Never think too much on an issue. And even overthinking is of two types, positive way and negative way. If we think overthinking is bad, scientists have not even discovered all these. Just due to overthinking, they have been discovering and inventing all these things. If it's matching a realistic life, it's good for us, even for our surroundings. If it's not matching a realistic life, our all illusions, might be I'm a wrong person, or she is not thinking much about me, ignoring me, going into depression. I have seen a lot many people, thinking about one thing overly and overthinking, which really drags our own happiness. I feel like kal ho na ho. You don't know whether you're going to leave tomorrow or not. Better whatever day or the time you're spending now, let's be happy with what we have. And also, I'm not telling that you should not dream about anything, but not a kind of over dreaming. Even after seeing not many situations in my family or friends, whatever it is, at a point of time in 10th class, I guess, sir, I have decided to go into this Ramakrishna Matam monk. I
Yeah.
don't want all these relations. I can maintain people around me.
Oh,
I was a person of Ramakrishna Matam till 10th class. And later, seeing all the family issues and my parents, my mom was like depressed. Oh my God, why is she behaving like this? She don't want anyone to be over her, beside her, and all. Then suddenly, my dad has took to me an old age home and all those, and he was like, "You should maintain human relations in your life, but never overthink on anything, so that it burdens you and never makes you be that self-content, what you have, that inner soul happiness." And again, I've changed my mind. Okay, I'll be with everyone here only. It's fine having here. So I just want to say everyone that never think on a issue much and much, which will make yourself sad. Try to be in a positive way. Whether it's true or not, that is secondary. Just let's be that positive within us so that we'll be happy at that moment. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Very good presentation. Krishnaveni always she'll be the first, and today also the first. Right.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I do the next one, sir?